Hey guys, it's Raim from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be running through the range of needles and cartridges from Magic Moon. Magic Moon is renowned as one of the best producers of tattoo needles and cartridges around, with artists around the world using its products. So let's take a closer look. Every needle from Magic Moon goes through rigorous quality control checks both during and after the manufacturing process. This results in very reliable tattoo needles that are consistently made to the highest professional standards. Magic Moon needles are made from stainless steel with lead-free solder and also come EO sterilised and blister packed to ensure optimal hygiene. We offer a large range of Magic Moon needle configurations, tapers and sizes, so you can be sure we stock a needle for every purpose. Configurations include various liners, shaders, magnums and soft edge magnums, with needle diameters ranging from 0.25 to 0.35mm. Textured needles are also available. Magic Moon also offers a range of stainless steel grips, tips and backstems, which fit various needle sizes. Made in Germany and manufactured to the highest quality, these are the perfect companion for your Magic Moon needles. Over on the cartridge side, we at Killer Inc. stocked a complete collection of Magic Moon cartridges. As with its needles, all cartridges from Magic Moon are of the highest quality and go through the same rigorous quality control checks. Again, we offer Magic Moon cartridges in a large range of configurations, tapers and sizes, so you'll definitely find the right equipment for your needs. Whether you're looking for needles or cartridges from Magic Moon, we have them all in stock via the link in the description below. So, what are your thoughts on Magic Moon's range of needles and cartridges? Will you be picking some up soon to try out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.